Hello, I'm Alpha Reno. I share DIY and life hacks on YouTube. I'm not just giving an update today. I want to share something useful with you. First of all, my YouTube channel has reached 10,000 subscribers. Thank you so much. Today, I want to share one special secret I've been using behind the scenes. It helped me grow this channel a lot. That secret is the way I use ChatGPT. I've been using it heavily since 1 year ago. Back then, my channel only had about 3,000 subscribers, so please, listen until the end. I know you already understand. ChatGPT is powerful, but I'll explain how I personally use it for YouTube. For example, I say things like, give me a good title using viral search keywords, or suggest hashtags and meta tags related to trending videos. When I need ideas, I'll ask, give me 3 video ideas in this genre, and it even shows example videos. If I ask for URLs to learn from, I can tell ChatGPT the theme of a video, then it writes a full script and narration for me. Even the thumbnail, it generates using AI images. The more details I give, the better the output becomes. I also send it my channel URL, then it analyzes and gives advice on what to improve. If I ask how to set up my channel properly, it teaches me step by step. Its translation skill is amazing. When I post in multiple languages, it's really helpful. In this video, my title is translated into more than 10 languages. The more I ask, the deeper I learn. It saves time and boosts results. My old thinking started to change. Thanks to ChatGPT. You don't need to feel ashamed. Even if you copy it first, it becomes your own path. It gives you a head start. Then you build your own original content. It's not cheating, it's efficient. I used to spend hours searching random articles and blogs, trying to find the right way, but those stories were someone else's success, not mine. What I truly needed was my own success, so I realized the best way is to build your own road. ChatGPT gives you that starting point instantly. No need to reinvent the wheel. Of course, you still have to try things and improve by doing. I used to wonder, what title should I choose? Now I just ask and get suggestions right away. I save time, I work faster, and I feel more motivated. It's so helpful. I joke that I want to marry ChatGPT. I could talk about this for hours, but let's stop here. This was my journey to 10,000 subscribers, and I wanted to share it with you. ChatGPT supported my growth, like a hidden teammate. I still use the free version. If you're curious, try it yourself. Ask questions, and you'll learn fast. If you're not sure how to talk to it, leave a comment. I'll help you. Now, let me share the revenue and stats. Total views, 9.822 million. Watch time, 65,000 hours. Estimated earnings, 223,330 yen. Short and long videos are very different in revenue. Let me explain. Long videos, 500,000 views, earned around 110,000 yen. Short videos, 9.3 million views, also earned about 110,000 yen. That means, shorts have low revenue per view. But 8,000 subscribers came from shorts. Long videos are like assets. People find them through search. Shorts can go viral fast, but don't last as long. Even if it's a niche video, if someone finds it and gets value, that's enough reason to keep going. If you find my videos helpful or interesting, please subscribe. This channel will keep focusing on useful and helpful content. Thank you so much for helping me reach 10,000 subscribers. If you like this video, please give it a like and subscribe. Check out my other videos too. Thanks again. See you next time.